Picture this. You walk into a restaurant in New York, the waiter comes to your table, and suddenly you freeze. You know what you want, but you don't know how to say it. After this video, that will never happen again. You're going to learn 8 essential phrases that work in any English-speaking restaurant. Let's go.
Hi there. Welcome in. Table for one?
Yes, please.
Right this way. Here you go. Can I start you off with something to drink?
Just water for now, thanks. Can I see the menu, please?
Of course. Here's our menu. I'll give you a minute to look it over. Ready to order?
Almost. What do you recommend? I've never been here before.
The grilled chicken is really popular, and our pasta special today is amazing.
The pasta sounds great. I'll have the pasta, please. Oh, could I get that without mushrooms? I'm allergic.
No problem at all. Anything else?
No, that's it for now. How long will it take?
About 15 minutes. I'll put that in for you right away.
That was delicious. Can I have the check, please?
Here you go.
Thanks. Do you take credit cards?
We sure do.
Great. And keep the change.
Thank you so much. Have a great evening.
You too?
Great. Now let's break down the key phrases from that conversation one by one. Phrase 1, can I see the menu, please? This is the first thing you'll say when you sit down. Notice how we add please at the end? It makes it polite. You can also say, could I get a menu? Both work perfectly. Phrase 2, what do you recommend? If you're not sure what to order, this is your best friend. It means, what do you think is good here? The waiter will always be happy to help. You can also say, what's good here? Phrase 3, I'll have the or I'd like the. When you're ready to order, say I'll have the pasta or I'd like the chicken. Both are natural. I'll have is more casual, I'd like is slightly more polite. Don't say I want, it sounds too direct in English. Phrase 4, could I get that without? Got allergies? Don't like something? Say, could I get that without mushrooms or without onions? You can also say, can you make it without? This is very common and no restaurant will think it's rude. Phrase 5, how long will it take? If you're in a hurry, you can ask, how long will it take? This means, how many minutes until my food arrives? It's a perfectly normal question. Phrase 6, can I have the check, please? When you're done eating, say, can I have the check, please? In America, we say the check. In Britain, they say the bill. Both mean the same thing. The waiter won't bring it unless you ask. That's the culture. Phrase 7, do you take credit cards? Before you pay, it's good to ask, do you take credit cards? Some small restaurants are cash only. You can also say, do you accept credit cards? Same meaning. Phrase 8, keep the change. In America, tipping is important. If you pay with cash and want to leave a tip, you can say keep the change. It means the extra money is your tip. For credit cards, you write the tip on the receipt. Now it's your turn. I'll say each phrase, then you repeat it out loud. Ready? Let's practice. Repeat after me. Can I see the menu, please? Can I see the menu, please? Repeat after me. What do you recommend? What do you recommend? Repeat after me. I'll have the pasta, please. I'll have the pasta, please. Repeat after me. Could I get that without mushrooms? Could I get that without mushrooms? Repeat after me. How long will it take? How long will it take? Repeat after me. Can I have the check, please? Can I have the check, please? Repeat after me. Do you take credit cards? Do you take credit cards? Repeat after me. Keep the change. Keep the change? Excellent. If you got all 8, you're ready to order food anywhere in America. Quick quiz. I'll describe a situation, you say the right phrase. Ready? Number 1, you sit down and you want to see what food they have. What do you say? Can I see the menu, please? Number 2, You've finished eating and you want to pay. What do you say? Can I have the check, please? Number 3, you don't want onions in your salad. What do you say? Could I get that without onions? Great job! If you got all 3, you're doing amazing. That's it for today's lesson. You just learned WIT essential restaurant phrases. Practice them out loud. The more you say them, the more natural they'll feel. If this video helped you, hit that subscribe button. Next time, we're going to learn phrases for shopping, how to ask about prices, sizes, and returns. I'll see you in the next lesson.